Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So this is last week's spread in my classic horizontal happy planner, and I love when a spread is fully filled out. So I am actually filming this on Monday. I normally film this on like a Friday. So it's weird that I am actually filling this out the day that I have to start using it. But for this week, Monday, July 5th through to Sunday, July 11th, there's Lucy, I'm using the Floral Sticker Book. Now I've been asked about this book and where to buy it, and this book was only available as part of a Blooms Be Happy box. So unfortunately it is no longer available, so I apologize for that. All right, let's get started. Making sure everything is straight here. I don't know if it is. Okay, so let's start with, I do want to put some full boxes down, and there's lots of nice big florals. Oh, I'm happy about that. Some bigger quotes here that I can, there's a lot that I can work with in here. Oh, that makes me happy. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna probably rotate between using boxes as well as some of the decor for the florals. So let's start with Wonderful. And start with it on this side. I'm gonna leave it a little bit higher. And you guys know that I normally have my washi to hand here, and I apologize ahead of time for the state of my nails. Because normally like I said, I'm normally doing this plan with me on a Thursday or Friday when my nails are somewhat okay. By the time you get to, like, you know, Monday, after I spent Sunday cleaning the bathrooms, they're not so great. Okay, so let's find something for Tuesday, and I think I will rotate between boxes as well as floral decor. So ooh, there's these, but then there's also the ones at the front. I think I'll go with this one. Oh, come on. Oh, how beautiful is that? And yes, it'll kind of go over into Monday and Wednesday, but I don't mind that at all. Oh, and this washi, I've used it so much since I got it, and it's one of the best purchases I think I've made in a while. Actually, that's not true. Best washi purchase in a while. Oh, there's more. Okay, so I'm gonna just put a little love there. Then here, let's do maybe a bunch of these and make like a little bunch. I almost don't want it to go into the bottom, so I'm going to cut a bit off, and I will use this elsewhere. Place that down here. And then I'm going to take the washi and actually cut a strip in half so that I have one that's not as wide. And place it actually just right in the middle of the two, like that. And then let's find, actually I really like these heart disc stickers. Yeah, I think I will go with, I like the darker. Actually, we'll do the green. There we go. And then I will put a full box down in that corner. There's actually a box I was looking at. This one that was beautiful. And it's not a full box. It's like a box for the mini. Love it. And then what do I want to put in the middle? Okay, we'll be able to see that. Life takes time. Oh, really pretty, but I feel like now that's just, it's going to be seen as just one sticker rather than three, and then a bunch of three. So I'll do that. Then let's move on to this side. And I think what I'm going to do down at the bottom, I love this one. This Love Today. So if I'm going to do this. Okay, so Love Today will go over here. With this. Whoops. Uh-oh. Like so. And should I letter something? I feel like I should. Although there is, I think, a quote somewhere. There's the happy. I like that. And it, oops. There. Oh, I really like that. And then I'll put a floral here, this one. Be like a, oh, it's crooked, but that's okay. Again, adding a bit of washi. I cannot get enough of this grid washi. And then I'll add a little disc blue. Let's go with blue. Then I like that good things will happen, but I also like these. I think on Saturday I'm going to create a little bunch of these. And then add the washi. My journal has become, and now that I've included it as part of like my nighttime routine, it's been easier to keep up with, but it's been something that helps me calm down at the end of the day. Let's choose a peach here. Like, I really like taking stock of the day and just going through what's happened. And I am getting to that point where if I don't write in my journal right away, I will have actually forgotten what's happened that day. So I do need to write in my journal pretty much immediately, or else I'm going to forget everything that is crooked. Anyone else like that? Let's put that up higher. And then see what I can put on top. Oh, I do like that lovey one. I think what I want to do is, I know, I'm going to put this and this together. So place the word love, and right next to it, this. Whoops, crooked. And I'm gonna just add a disc because I think the discs are beautiful. Perfect. All right. I can hear Lucy in the background. Sorry that it's off center. I do love that, the little bunches with the washi. It's definitely, I don't know. I mean, it's something that I try and work with every time with my Plan With Me's, especially in this one, because this one I find is you have to be more creative and you have to allow yourself to be more creative, not your typical planner spread, but I really do like it. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.